Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so check it out. It's looking great, guys. The neck is ready. I got a couple coats of tongue oil on the body. I want to buff it out a little bit, but it looks pretty cool right now already. Alright, so the next thing I gotta do is I gotta put the dots, the markers on the neck. Alright, so here are the dots, okay? There are the dots. They're gonna go like that, like that. There's gonna be one here. Alright, so the dots are gonna go on the neck like something like that. I better make sure they're in the right spot, because if you put them in the wrong spot, it's gonna be really dumb. Okay? So double check. If you're doing this, double check. Triple check. Alright, so I get all this stuff from Stuart McDonald, which if you work on guitars, of course you know Stuart McDonald. And it calls for a 5/16 hole. So I got this drill bit, which is a brad point drill bit. That means it has a flat end on the top, so I can make a nice hole that this is going to fit in, okay? But I want to test it. Before I want to do it, it's such a critical thing. I want to test it on another piece of wood first. Okay, so I'm going to make a test. I taped it off so I don't want to go too far. I just want to test. I want to make a test and see if everything's going to work all right. Alright, that fits pretty good. It's a little... Actually, it doesn't fit very good, does it? Alright, so I tried out the 5/16 bit that they suggested to use, but the hole is a bit big. It's a little bit big. So what I did was I grinded down the bit just a little bit, and it seems like it's... Now it seems like it fits real nice. So I think that's gonna work. Alright, so I'm ready to make a crucial hole here. If you mess up, that's it. You gotta live with it. Anyways, I've made some marks here, and we're gonna hope for the best. I'm gonna get a nail set that's really sharp, and I'm gonna make a little tiny... I want to tap that in there so I got a nice spot for the drill bit to sit, so I don't have any problems there. Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, that way I can take the tape off now. Alright, so here goes nothing. Let's see how that's... Wow, it's working great actually. Okay, I'm just gonna go just a hair more for my glue to sit underneath it. I can go just a tiny bit more. Okay, I want to live with that right there. Okay, now we're going to get a little super glue. A little crazy glue. we're gonna get a little crazy here with the crazy glue. Okay. And let's... All right. Okay, I've got 2 of them in there, and you just drop some super glue around it. Once that dries, I'll get a block sander and sand that down real nice and flush. And a bunch more to go. All right, I got another one in. I got a lot of glue around it. That's all right. That's going to come off when I level that. Alright guys, so I got almost all of them in. I'm short 2 of them, or 2 or 3 of them. I had to reorder those. It's okay. I can get these all set in place. Now, what I'm going to do now is let that, it's dry enough, so I'm just get my block sander, and I'm going to run that over there again, and it's going to clean up. And it's going to clean up all the glue and flatten it real nicely on the neck. Let's check it out and see how it works. All right, starting to look like it's supposed to look. All right, guys, so. All right, guys, yeah, how you like it, Leo?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got a few more dots to put on here. It's almost done. These things take time. This is a little nerve-wracking, I gotta admit, because if you mess it up or you get this side of the drill bit, it looks all crooked and stuff. So you gotta be really careful. So far, so good. I got a couple more dots to put up here, and I got a small spot right here still on the neck. Then we'll fret it, we'll put the hardware on, we're gonna continue oiling this up. It's gonna be great, okay? Thanks for watching, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, see you next time.
Bye. Thank you.